friends. What are we drawing today? Zigzag, zigzag, 3D stairs. The trick is drawing the lines diagonally, which creates an optical illusion. Time to draw the magic outline. Now, let's paint it. Color. Which color do you want to start with? Green? This looks new because it's blue. What next? Think. It's pink. And then, hello? It's yellow. Blue. Green again. Then let's pick orange. The 3D stairs already look fantastic. One more time, red. And the last step, let's paint it yellow. What color have we not used yet? Purple. Let's paint it all purple. The staircase looks sparkling and brilliant. This was amazing. See you later. Keep drawing. Keep it colorful.
Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to draw a hot air balloon. Woohoo! It's kind of like a teardrop shape going in and down at the bottom. Do the strings attached to a love heart basket. Oh, perfect. Time to decorate the balloon with some curvy lines. How about some more love hearts? Every other segment. Let's blacken up the border. And the hearts. And ready to colour. We go for green for the top segment. You could do a rainbow balloon. What do you think? You don't have to copy the same colours we're doing. You can choose your own colours. We're doing yellow next. Oh, look at those lovely limey yellow citrusy colours. I just love them. They're so refreshing. Carefully colouring around those hearts. Have you ever been in a hot air balloon? Or seen a hot air balloon? Wow, It must be amazing, the view from up there. Wind in your face. Pink next. A pretty kind of pastel-y pink. I like that. What's your favourite colour? I love purple. I wonder where our hot air balloon is going today. Perhaps on a Valentine's Day ride. Blue next. Blue and pink look perfect together, don't you think? Perhaps you could go for a sunset ride in the sky. Wouldn't that be amazing? Watch the sun go down with your loved ones. We're going for a lovely purple at the bottom. Yay, my favourite colour! Now what colour should we do the hearts? How about red? Of course. That does look fantastic against the rainbow background. Ooh, love, love, love. I just can't wait to ride in this hot air balloon. I want to go all over the world and look down from the sky on the beautiful mountains and the oceans and the rivers. Oh, wouldn't it just be wonderful? Imagine. And there we have it.
Hi kids, let's learn how to draw a pyramid. First start with a straight line and then 2 triangles on either side. Now draw horizontal lines across both the triangles. And that's it! How easy was that? Time to paint. Let's use pink. Next, a lovely magenta. Time for some cyan. A pretty green. Bright orange. Some yellow too. Our pyramid looks so cool. And last, red. Ta-da! Let's go over all our colors, kids. Pink, magenta, cyan, green, orange, yellow, and red. Here is our pyramid. Bye, kids. Hello, kids. For a yummy pineapple, draw a curved U shape. For the crown, let's draw little triangles, just like that. And the last step, cover the pineapple with slanted, curvy lines. And now, let's do the same to make a crisscross pattern. This is so much fun, and drawing a pineapple is super easy. Let's add the final touches by making more triangles for the crown. And done! Time to paint. Let's start with the color gold. We're going to make a fun, colorful pineapple. So now let's use some pink. And now some green. some purple will be great too. Orange will look perfect. And now some cyan. And let's not forget red. Wow! Let's use green for the crown. We did such a great job! Woohoo! Look at all the pretty colors. A yummy and healthy pineapple. Hope you had fun. Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!